Have you ever been sitting in your car or listening to a fan, running water, or an engine, and suddenly you hear your name? No voices around you, no one speaking, but the sound cuts through the noise as if someone whispered directly to you. Why does this happen? Your brain is always searching for speech. Even when you're not paying attention, your auditory system scans every sound for patterns that resemble language, because speech means communication or danger. So your brain keeps the speech detector running in the background. But continuous noises like engines, water, or fans create random vibrations that sometimes resemble the rhythm of syllables. And when the pattern is close enough, your brain labels it as words. But why your name? Because your name is the strongest auditory trigger you have. It's tied to memory, attention, danger, and emotion. Your brain is hypersensitive to it, so any noise that vaguely resembles its rhythm gets promoted instantly. This phenomenon is called auditory pareidolia, your brain finding meaning inside meaningless noise. And when you're tired or stressed, your cognitive filters weaken. Your brain becomes more alert, your hearing becomes more suggestible, and the illusion becomes stronger. You're not hearing things. Your brain is simply overinterpreting noise to keep you safe. Follow me, and I'll make part 2. Why some people hear their name even in pure white noise.